Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock a secret Canva element set that called Retro Cute Doodle Frames Pack. This set is perfect for creating a maybe fun scrapbook layouts, cute poster, or playful Instagram stories, or maybe aesthetic photo frames. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just create a new designs or open your old designs and then just tap on elements and then just type this code. Just search for this code and then enter. And like this, now you will see full of collections, retro doodle styles, frames like this, just like this. It's so cute. This pack it's perfect for maybe K-pop poster edits or maybe cute journaling pages, Instagram feeds, sticker style photos, and many more. Just go try it out and make your designs even cuter. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.